guys, let's talk about the Magnolia Touch Roll-On. I personally find this is a very special oil, and let me tell you why. First of all, when you open it up and you smell it, it has this fruity floral aroma. So it's, of course, it's awesome as a pure perfume, as I always say, like a non-toxic perfume. And by the way, I like to, use it on my wrist, behind my ears, just a classical scent points or perfume points. But what I also like to do is put a little bit on my fingers and then just run it through my hair. I find this, first of all, I kind of smell my own hair. And so this way you're your own personal diffuser, kind of. But Magnolia doesn't only smell amazing. I love its properties because when you smell it, it has this fruity floral scent, which somehow is uplifting, but then on the other hand, it's very, very high in linalool. And this is the component that's also in lavender. Linalool makes us feel very calm, very settled, gives us this rounded, relaxed feeling. And you wouldn't guess it, I personally find, from Magnolia when you smell it, but it's also high in linalool. I think it's one of the highest oils that doTERRA has on offer. It has around 70% of it is linalool constituents. But for me, and this is exactly how Magnolia feels to me, when I use it, it's not just relaxing and calming, it's kind of, balancing. When I'm a little stressed out and I'm tense, it makes me really calm, but it also gives me, this good mood boost. You know what I mean? So it's never wrong. This is one of the oils that I find is never wrong. In the morning, when I need, to start refreshed into the day, Magnolia is great. But it's not pushing me, it's not over energizing me. And when I'm feeling stressed, it gives me this grounded, this calm feeling. So, I mean, what else can you ask for, right? So I love Magnolia. I like to pair it with some citrus oil sometimes, or in the evening, maybe with something like vetiver, which might sound a little weird, but this earthy aroma of the vetiver and the Magnolia I personally like. And also rose, of course. Rose and jasmine, if you want to play around and really make your own very feminine floral scent, I mean, Magnolia is a great partner to do that. So that's why I love Magnolia, and I find Magnolia is never wrong. I also like to use it on my children, which are very small, which are not even 4 and 1 year old right now. And to calm them down, especially, give them a little foot massage in the evening. And this Magnolia Touch, of course, is pre-diluted. So it's already diluted in fractionated coconut oil. I personally find it's a very, very gentle oil, so I don't worry about any skin sensitivities. Of course, if you need to, or if you feel it's appropriate, always dilute a little more if you want to. But it's also great for your complexion, to use it on your skin. It's, helping hydrate the skin, to help give you a useful complexion, which, I mean, who doesn't? And when I'm talking, I see, the wrinkles on my forehead. They haven't been there all the time. And I think they have gotten more since I have kids. So it's great to, give you that rejuvenated, this refresh boost as well. I like it around my eyes, on my forehead, but wherever you feel it's appropriate for your skin. So enjoy Magnolia and have fun with it.